In this video, we are going to learn how to create a report of the healthcare. So this is the healthcare report that we are going to create step by step. So our report name will be the healthcare report. These are the admission numbers. And here you can see the total number of the UTI, total number of the valvular, and also here you can see the total number of the SERF anemia, and total number of the triple S, that is 6 sinus syndrome. And here you can see the month and year. So why actually we are using, why we are creating this kind of chart. Okay, so let me tell you this. So suppose if you want to check in particular yearly details of the patient, just click on this in December 18. Here you can see the name of the patient, and also you can see the age of the patient, and gender. All this patient, all the patient names, so details will be display here. And after that, here you can see, but by scrolling, you need to scroll down. And here date of the admission and outcome of the patient, that means discharge, admission numbers, and just scroll down here. Okay, so many, but that only will display here, that in the particular years if you select. But if you want to check this particular year 18, okay, sorry, 19, 2019 here. So once you click here, you can see first check is the yearly. Here will display all the you know particular year, that is 2019 patient details will patient details will pop up here, where you can see here by scrolling. Just check it. So these are the patient, you know those who had visited in the year of 2019. So, and after that, and also here will pop up that the patient, how many days the patient is stayed, and also the patient has problem, this kind of problem or not, and whether the patient has problem, this kind of heart failure, and also here the glucose and outcome. And also why, and also another example that I'm going to show you. Another example means, by clicking this, just see, these are the admission numbers. By looking, you may not know what exactly is it like, right? The name is not mentioned, just, but I'm going to check, this is the admission number. I'm going to get the patient name. For that, to get the patient name and patient name, I need to know the patient name and age, and whether the gender, that means detail of the patient. So for that, just click on this, and here first and check it over here, the admission date, sorry, number is, that is 46964, right? Here you can see 46964, but the name of the patient is here mentioned, and age patient, the age of the patient, and also gender of the patient, and here admission date and discharge, here you can see, and also admission numbers, and how many days the patient had stayed. Here it is, display here, and whether the patient has a problem or not. And here you can this anemia problem. So the patient, no, the patient is is not facing any kind of problem. And here you can see, yes, the patient has a problem of heart failure, and glucose here outcome. And suppose you want to check this particular admission numbers by clicking this 66202, just click over here, and first check it, this admission numbers of the patient, and here the patient name. Here you can see the age, gender, and admission date, and this is discharge, admission numbers, as I have told you, and days, how many patient the patient had stayed in the in healthcare. And here's the patient, whether the patient has this kind of problem or not. Here you can see that yes, the patient has problem. Y means yes, the patient has problem. Glucose discharge. Okay, so this is how that we are going to create dashboard. And first we and moreover, this data is going to be raw data, that we are going to clean the raw data. After that, we are going to create this kind of stunning data of the healthcare. So for that, what we need to do, that we need to go back. What we need to do is first, we need to go open our, like, data set that I kept here in dashboard, so desktop. And after that, here and this is the order in this here, and just click, let me click, you need to click here, and after that see here, this first we are going to format this data. So for that, click on this, and after that I'm going to format. For that, click on format, and here you can see auto fit column fit. Okay, so now and click over again here, just auto fit row height. Okay, so now we are going to check whether there is a duplicate data or not. So for that, click on this data, and after that here you can see called the remove duplicates. Click over here, so just click OK. So here it is saying there is no duplicate data. So now second is that we are going to clean this data again, data set. So let me open. So here in this data here, you can see admission number and names of the patient. So just I'm going to format and just click on here, and then after that click OK this again, and after that here we are going to check whether there is a duplicate data or not. Just click on data, and after that here you can see the duplicate columns, and just click OK. So it is saying that no any such a duplicate data so inside. So for that we are going to start from the beginning now. So for that we are going to open this Power BI. Type here Power BI, let me open. So guys, it will take time to open this Power BI. Till that we need to wait. Once you open Power BI, just need to click on a sign in, and after that here you can see called get data, or else here also you can click get data from another source if you want. Just click tax, the CSV, and click connect. So let me click my, this is the data that I have. First let me upload this file, and I'm not going to transform because there is no such a duplicate data. For that, just click load. So guys, it will take time to upload this file. Okay guys, already I have uploaded. So this is the file. Here you can see these are the columns names. Here you can see. So second, we are going to again upload the file. This is dataset 2, and click on this. I'm not going to transform again because already I have cleaned this data, because there is no such a duplicate data. So it is okay. This is data just now I have upload. Here you can this admission numbers and name. So now I'm going to interconnect both file. For that, just click on here, and after just drag and drop here, and after that here you can say both applies security filter in both direction. Click here and click OK. Now guys, we already interconnect, and after that here, after that what we do is just click on here, report views. Now we are going to start creating dashboard. Just let me check first. First we are going to, you know, create this type of chart. So for that, what we are going to do, just go back and click this donut chart, and after that I need admission number. Okay, so this is the admission, numbers you can see here. But yes, first we need to remove this blank. So for that what I have to do this here, click on this. First you click on this, and after that in this box, after clicking here, you can see call admission number is all, and after that here you can see call the advanced in the filter, and here you can see basic filter, and after that you can see click select all and uncheck this blank. Okay, so now second thing we are going to remove, that is this admission number, because we already have here. So for that this is, let me search here. Okay, so now we need to format this. So now we are going to change the background color. So for that, just click on here again, and click general, and here you can see the call effects, and here you can see the color. The color is, there is, we are going to use in the code. Just remove this, and after that you type here 40 F43. Okay, so we already created this. Now second we are going to create, that is uh, just let me check again first. This is this total or sum of the UTI. For that we are going to use cart. This is the cart, and to format this, so here, and click first here, and after that here go, and after that here type is this UTI. We need to format this. Just click on this again, and go back here, and call out values, work up black. Okay, and the size is so big, we need to decrease this size. 30 will be enough, and after that here you can see the call category labels, and we need color should be black, and we need to decrease the size, the font size. bold, and guys, I need to just a moment with to actually decrease the size, the font size. This 30. So now we need a background color, the background curve. So for that, to change the background color, so click general, and after that effects, and after that here the click on more colors, and just remove this, and after that the code number, the color code is, there is double 9E18 9E18. Okay, so we already have created. So now we are going to create, that is this bulbular. So for that again, we need to copy this, Control plus C and Control plus V, just keep it here, and after that just click over here, and here you can see this, and then remove it. So now here we are going to use, that is, what was that, that is bulbular, total number of the bulbulars. So okay, so now we need to change the color, go to change the color. So again click on general, and after that here you can see the effects, there is color, click more colors, and just remove this. Now the color code is E0 E0C8 E0C8 FCA. Nope, there is no, the color code is, there is EC8 EC8 FCA FCA. So this is the color code. Let me check whether it is matching or not. No, it's not matching. The color code is E044A7 44A7. Let me check now. Yeah, this is the color, right? Yeah, exactly. So now we are going to create this surf anemia. So for that, go back and just copy Control plus C, Control plus B, and just drag here and remove this. Now we need to use this column. What is the name of the column? Someone let me check this. surf anemia. Scroll down here. Okay, this is the column that I need, and guys, we need to the background color. For that, the background color should be that is EC. Go to change the background color. For that, go to FX, and after that click on here and more colors. So that I need EC8, EC8, FCA. Okay, so and finally we are going to create that is total number of triplets, that is six sinus syndrome. For that, what we should do is just go back here, copy, Control plus C and Control plus V, and just remove this, and now just type here triplets. Okay, so we need the final color. The final color code is here. Just a moment to change this background color. This, so for that, click on here again, general, and after that FX, and after that here click more colors, and after that here the code is double one 9E18 9E18. So already we have created. So just a moment, I need to decrease the size. Let me format all the cards. Just a format like this. And now we are going to, we are going to create this, you know to display the name, is, gender, date of admission, and discharge admission number. For that, what we need to do is go back here again, and for that here you can see call here something multi-row card. So now first I need name, and after that is, gender, and date of admission, outcome of this is the discharge. This also I need. And finally I need admission number. Okay, and now we need, that's the background color. That to change the background color, for that click general, and for that click on this effects, click in this, and after that here you can see the more colors. So now the color code is that is 087583. So now what we need to do is background color already we have added. So now we'll work on this visual columns. It should be black. Okay, uh, bold, and category labels black. We need bold, black, and we need title of this. So for that, click on, first you should on this, and after that expand this and make of it, there's the title name should be patient details. And for that I need divider. Click on divider and center, and the color is let me check the color. But this, we need this, the color should be this color, and bold. Okay, so that center, horizontal alignment should be center. Divider here I need, um, width pixel should be 2 will be enough. The color I need little bit this color. Okay, so we have already created this patient detail box and that rows. So just a moment. And also we need to include some patient details. For that again, Again, we'll use this multi-rows cart. So for that, so now we need to create the new columns. So that click on here. So to create the new columns, click on here. So we need to create the column name should be how many days the patient had stays in the healthcare. So for that, the column name will be stay underscore duration equal to that if open the single string and date of admission comma date of that is discharge. Okay, just click and put comma and days. Okay, how many days the patient had stayed in the healthcare. So close the bracket and enter hit button. So here we have successfully created this stay duration column names. So now, and also we need to create some other column name. So what column name that we are going to create? This is the column name that we are going to create, anemia. So for that, just need to click new columns, and after that just remove, and our column name will be anemia want, and that is I'm going to if and open string single string, and so for that this is the this is the anemia column, that just click OK, equal to put 0. Is it face if the patient may not face this kind of problem, for that we need to mention this no. Okay, close with double string, so double quotation mark, and after that put comma. Again, if the patient face anemia problem or this kind of problem, so for that we need to open the double quotation, and after that here type it y, close with double quotation and parenthesis. Now we need to close with parenthesis and hit enter button. So here you can see we have successfully created this column. Let me scroll down. Yeah, here you can see yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes. Okay, so now, and also we are going to create the column name, that is heart failure, if the patient face heart failure or not. So just click on new column, and here the column name will be, that is, heart failure equal to if, that is, where the column, just scroll down. Okay, this is the column, just click OK and put equal to 0 comma, again same, if yes, so if no, okay, put it, okay, comma, again same again, double quotation, you need to open, and after, now you need to type yes, y, and close with parenthesis, and click on enter button. Sorry, hit the enter button. So here, guys, you can see, hard is filling, SART should be, yes guys, so we, this column also we have successfully created. Now just scroll down here, just check it. Yeah, here you can see, no, the patient had not faced this kind of problem, heart failure. Yes, this the patient has problem. Okay, so this is how we can create the columns, and now we are going to, you know insert in this rows. So first we need to insert, there is, scroll down here, and this is the rows that, column that we need to sorry, yeah, and this is the rows, this is the column. So click OK, click check mark it, and guys, better let me, delete this, I'll create it again, just remove this. I'll remove entire this. So I'm going to create this column, heart failure column. So for that, you click on this and click on new column. So here the column name is heart failure, and equal to if there is, scroll down here, click this heart failure, and equal to 0 comma, open the double quotation mark, that is no, put comma again, yes, okay, now uh, close with the this parenthesis. So why actually we are mentioning this thing? If the patient face this kind of heart failure problem, that will say yes. If the patient may not face this kind of heart failure problem, that will say no, and means no. So now just hit enter button here. So guys, here you can see this is the our column, new column name. So let me check whether it is working or not. Let me check. Yeah, it is saying some a patient has a heart failure problem, and some and most of the patients are not facing heart failure problem. So now we need to go back here, click on this report view, and now just insert the new row, multi-row Scott. So just we need format, and so now what we need to do this first, we no, first we are going to import, that is the duration. So this is the check market, and secondly what we need to use, just a moment, anemia. Okay, the column name is, this is, so heart, that is heart failure, and finally just let me check the final. This is the church outcome. We need to include this column, outcome, background color. To change the background color, for that click on here and click on this, and after that go to here, general, and click on FX, and click on here, and after that click more color, and the color code will be, that is 6 CD, 6 CD C55. Let me check, and this is the color. All right, but yes, we need to work on this, the you know value color. So click on this, for that call out values, black and bold, and finally, and we need to work on this, we need to change the color here. So for that, you need to click on this category labels, and then after that here you can see black, and click bold B. Okay, so it is visible. So let me check. No, still this is not enough. Okay, yeah, it is enough. So here it is visible properly. So now we are going to create the chart, that is BNP. So now we are going to create, that is chart, that is BNP chart. For that we are going to use in a pie chart. Just we need the format. So for that, here we are going to drag and drop here. That is you know, B, sorry, B, there is NP, and in value we need this. So title name will be that we are going to work on the title. So for that, click on this here and click on general and title. Here you can see. So the title name will be here. So here we are going to work. So now we are going to change the title name. The title. Now we are going to change, and now this chart title name will be, that is a typical chess pin. So uh, we need horizontal alignment should be centered, and the color this should be here. We need the color where it is actually. Okay, this color should be, this will be okay, I hope. Okay, so the color should be this, and we need bold. Now so color here more, yeah, it is okay. Color of this title. Now what we need to do is, that is we need to work on border, visual font, little bit. Okay, so finally we are going to create, that is Dr. Note. So for that, what we need to do this, for that we are going to use the chart name will be cluster column chart. So this is the chart that we are going to use. So for that, here we are going to use the column that we are going to use, that is, first we are going to use in Dr. Note, and and second we are going to use that is infactive, that is this is the column that we are going to use. Okay, so now we need to work on this first in title name. Click on here to change the title name. For that, you just click this, and title name is just this doctor. Title name will be doctor no. And we need a color should be this color, little bit. No, let me change the color. The color I need this color. Okay, just a moment. Just let me scroll down. First, keep center and bold. Click on here. Yeah, now it's okay. So now we need again the border. But yes, before before that, we need to disable this title. So for that, what we need to do this, just click on visual and y-axis, and here you can see call the title and off it. And okay, we already off this. So now again this also we need to off. Click on visual y-axis. Okay, now already we have created, but here is we need to work on border. So for that, click on here again, visual. So now we are going to you know create our dashboard name. This to create the dashboard name, for that we need to click on here, and our dashboard name is there is patient, there is the report. Sorry, healthcare report. The size, just select all, and now we are going to change the font size. For that, click 20, and the color and bold, center, just format. So now just we need to format. Now we need to work on background. Just a moment. So for that we need background color fx, and the color should be, let me check the color. No, the color should be this color. Now we are going to create a chart, month and year chart. For that just let me check first. This is how that we are going to create. Okay, so for that go back, and yeah, for that we are going to use slicer. There is slicer with the slicer. This is clicking on here, and for that we are going to use in this that is month and year. Now click on this. Now we are going to change this format. So for that click on here. For that here slicer setting, and here you can see called a vertical list. Okay, this format we need, and after that we need the background color. So to change the background color, click on general and click fx, and the color would be this. Now we are going to work in this header name. So for that click on this. So for that just click visual. Again here you can see slicer header. So here instead of small letter, so for that just mention capital letter month, and here also instead of y small letter replace it, this is y. So now we have already created. So now border. So the border we need to work in this border. Click on this, and after I go here and type border visual, visual border, so on it, and okay. So now we are going to just format this border. So this click on here, and after that here click and type in it visual border on it here, and little bit the rounded corners, the 9 pixel. So now again we'll work on here on it, need to on, and after that 9, 9 will be enough. Just click over here. So finally we have already created dashboard. So and here also I need to work on this. So here also we need to work on the border. So for that, just click on this here, and after that, visual border need to on here, and expand it here. um, okay, so okay, here also we'll work in some border here. So whether you type this, so I click on here again, visual, and box, and again I work this, type the visual on, and now okay, 19 will be enough. So guys, this is how you can create dashboard of healthcare. So hopefully guys, you'll be enjoying this video, and guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.